Ceacht a cethair, Cartùin. Gníomhaíocht a hain, drámaíocht. An is fáistí, éistí leis an scéal leathannig 20 agus 20 hain. Bhí Nasa, Rossa agus Gordo sa seomra sí. Thosaí na páistí fechant ar an telefís. Bhí Cartùin ar siúl. Bhí madra sa Cartùin. Hit carrig ar an madra. Thosaí Gordo a tafan.
Stop den tafan.
Bhí cat sa Cartùin freisin. Rug an cat ar an madra. Thosaí Gordo a tafan a ríis.
Stop den tafan.
Rick Gordo amach an doras. Hu sé suas an staire. Hu sé isteach sa seomra colata. Tar éis tamil tháinig Gordo arás. Bhí téad ina bhéalaige. Thosaigh Gordo a tafan a ríis.
Agus malam an Cartùin seo.
Chur Rossa an téad ar Gordo agus thuaigh siad amach ar gsúil. Rossa bocht.
Okay, here's the story Cartùin. Now, the story starts off with Bhí Nasa, Rossa agus Gordo sa seomra sí. So Nasa, Rossa and Gordo were in the sitting room. The seomra sí is the sitting room. Thosaigh is a verb to start. So thosaigh na páistí, the children started ag fécant watching on the television. They started watching the television. Bhí Cartùin ar siúl. There was a cartoon going on. And there was a madra. Bhí madra sa Cartùin. There was a dog in the cartoon. Hit carrig an madra. So a carrig is a rock, and hit is the verb to fall. So hit carrig an madra. A rock fell on the dog, and thosaigh, which means started, thosaigh Gordo. So the dog watching Gordo, he started ag tafan. He started barking when he saw this dog being hit in the head with a stone. Stop den tafan. So the Nasa says, stop den tafan. She tells Gordo to stop barking. Then, bhí cat sa Cartùin freisin. There was a cat in the cartoon as well, or two. And then rug an cat an madra. So the cat, rug is grabbed. So the cat grabbed the dog. And what happened? Thosaigh Gordo ag tafan a ríis. So Gordo started barking a ríis again. And this time Rossa says, stop den tafan. So Gordo's a little bit sad. So ri Gordo amach an duras. Gordo ran out the door. Hui sé suas an styra. Hui sé means he went. Suas is up. An styra, the stairs. Hui sé isteach sa seomra cudalta. He went in to the seomra cudalta, the room for sleeping. He went into the bedroom. Tar éis tamil, after a while, tháinig Gordo arás. Gordo came back, and bhí téad ina bhéal aige. So a téad is a lead. There was a lead in his mouth. This time, thosaigh Gordo ag tafan a ríis. So Gordo started, thosaigh means started, ag tafan barking again. And we see Rossa saying, "Och, is maithlumm an Cartùin seo, but I like this cartoon." He probably doesn't want to bring the dog for a walk. But cur Rossa put on taid, the lead, Gordo. He put the lead on Gordo. Agus hui siad, they went amok ag siúl. They went out for a walking. Rossa booked. Poor Rossa. And that's the end of the story.